Good morning, everyone. This is Tuesday, and we have seen the market push lower here to begin the day. Actually, throughout the overnight, we have an overnight high right now in the ES, 1801.75, current overnight low 1793 quarter, and we are currently trading below that 1795 level, which I had as a key level. So we're trading around it right now and trading toward the bottom portion of that range. We have a very tight range right now to watch right out of the gate, which is 1793 to 1795 half. A breakout from this range is going to spark the first initial move, which could be 3 to 5 points right out of the gate. I have early targets right now. Looking at this for the ES, downside targets at 92 half and 89 quarter. 92 half and 89 quarter. So we're already very close to that 92 half, which shows you how far the ES has dropped here in overnight trading. I've said before that 92 to 95 is a key area of support here. If we can't hold 92s or 1790s, I think we drop back to 1784 half, which would be the monthly pivot, on down to 1775, which is that major support area. As a matter of fact, you look at a 60-minute chart or a higher time frame chart, 1775 is the best key support zone on the chart right now. So if we can't hold 1795s, there will be more of a pullback, and I think 84 half is the first stop. We're starting to break a little bit right now, getting a push into 92. But remember, we can't get too bearish here, because every single time it looks like the wheels are about to fall off, buyers step in, and within a day or two, we're at new highs again. So I'll be watching this for signs of a larger swing, higher low, so that we can try to play it to new highs again. But again, if we can't hold 95s early on, I think there's a potential to get down to 84 half. With crude oil, let's take a look here. We're starting to break that early range here. We had a nice little range that formed from 93.80 up to 94 quarter, and we're starting to break 93.80 to the downside. Currently trading 93.70s. Crude oil has been a little different here lately. Probably one of the only ones that was trading higher yesterday and actually holding. 94s was a key level throughout the day, and you can see even throughout the overnight we basically traded around that level. And if we can't get beyond 94s there, I think we likely start heading down toward the weekly bear target, which I currently have at 91.57. 91.57 is the current primary downside target. The thing that concerns me here is obviously 95.70 in crude has been a big time level, right? And until crude can get above that zone, overall downtrending behavior is likely to remain intact. But if we do break above 94 quarter, especially 94.50s, I think we get a retest at 95.70, which we retested again. That could lead to further strength. So this is an important zone right here. We had that 93.20 that was major support. We broke down below it, went down as low as 91.50s, but we weren't able to expand the range. Instead, we came back into the range, and now we're trading even above it into 94. So I think if price drops down into 93.20 for a retest, that's going to be a very, very important zone. If price can't get down below 93.20, 93.30, that could be a higher low, a short-term higher low that gets us back up toward 95. So this is a tricky zone here for crude that I'll be watching. But early on, the range here, 93.80, is a short-term level that could open the door back to a move down to 93.20. So I have a primary downside target on the day at 93.10 with a scaling point at 93.49. On the upside, my primary upside target at the moment, let's see, is 94.82 with a scaling point at 94.44. So that's all I have for this morning. Let's see how it plays out.